Everyone, so I'm redoing my office and my books. It's pretty much a hot mess, but we're getting there. And I have a vision too. So originally I had color coordinated them. So this is the after. I have a filter on it because it makes it look cute. But I don't know how I'm feeling about this. Probably change it because I change things. Everything's a mess, but. And these lovely characters and drawings are from my little fans. And that little pillow was made by a little fan of mine. I love my girls and my little boy. They're so sweet. My friends' kids, of course. And I'll keep you guys tuned. Okay? So this is the after of my office. I just took a long video and it kept falling off the position I put it in.